Hello everyone. So I decided to start Christmas early. So here are 4 simple DIY Christmas decor and ornaments. For the first idea, I did this macrame Christmas ball. I used 3mm nylon cord. I took a long piece of nylon cord as you see here, and then I took 8 pieces of cord and I did lark's head knot on the main cord. The measurement of the ones that I did the lark's head knot is the height of the ball, and I multiply that by 8. In total I have 8, so I'm going to start with the first 2 and I'm going to start doing square knots. So I have 4 in total. Now I'm going to take my main cord and I'm going to tie around the top of the ball. Then I'm going to cover the ball, and at the bottom I'm going to take another piece of cord and I'm going to do a gathering knot to hold all those cords in place. For the second idea, I did this tabletop Christmas tree and I used a styrofoam cord and this wooden oval slice. I got them at Amazon, and then I did is I glued them to the styrofoam in a staggered way. Now I took some small wooden bits and I glued them in between the wooden slides just to cover some of the gaps so you don't see the styrofoam. Now I took a piece of jute rope and I wrapped it around the tree. That way it looks like it's a garland. The third idea, I took a round wood plaque. These ones are very small, and here I inserted a piece of jute rope, and now I'm going to take the oval wood slides and I'm going to make a flower. And now I took a fabric flower and I glued it to the center. For the last idea, I did this tabletop Christmas tree. So I took some wood sticks, the ones used for shish kebab, and I did a triangle. Now to wrap the triangle or the tree, I'm going to use the 3mm nylon cord, the one that I used to do the macrame ball, and just wrap it around. Found these fabric flowers. They are stickers. They're pretty much used for scrapbooking, and I think it would look good with this, so it will embellish the tree. Well guys, hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Be safe everyone.